Right, find the doggy, please.
Yay.
Let's have a look. Way, well done. Again, close your eyes. Right.
No.
Where's the doggy one? Look for the dog. Is that the doggy one? Let's have a look. Way, clever girl, Isabel. Again, one more go. Go.
Come on.
Quick.
Where's the doggy?
Oh no, I can't find it, Isabel. It's gone.
Where's the doggy? Go.
Look, where's the dog? Where's the doggy one? Look, where's the doggy? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Show Daddy then.
Oh, well done. How she knows which one is it?
I don't know. Yeah, let's go down then.
Isabel, where's the doggy?
Where's the doggy one?
Oh, go. Where's the dog?
Come on. Well, Is that the doggy one? Nice, hello. There we go.
Wow. Let's go.
Goes. Go.
How she knows where is it?
You tell
She
me.
can't see the other side.
Is always the doggy one? It's gone. Okay, we'll do the book then. Right. Right, put the house in then. No, where's the house? Go on and put it in there then. Right, push down. Right, where's the car? Beep, beep. Is that the car? Put it in there then. Oh dear, where's the apple tree? No, apple tree. Put the apple tree in there. Push. Right, what's that one? The dog. Put the dog in there. Push it down. Oh, done. High five. Well done. Good. Where's the doggy gone?
Well done.
Hey, where's the doggy gone? Where's the doggy one? Let's have a look. Is that the doggy one? Show Daddy then. Show Daddy.
Got it in first go again.
Wait.
Wow.